Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me for this oil painting video. I'm painting an ocean wave inspired by the beach around where I live. If you're interested in seeing my detailed color mixing process for this painting, along with a much slower painting video where I explain all the steps, that is available at patreon.com/Lena Danya. This painting is for my home. It's not created with the intention of selling it. Because the canvas is damaged, there's a hole towards the bottom middle area. I don't know how this happened. I think something must have fallen on it at some point and punctured the canvas, but I just felt so bad letting it go to waste, so I decided to paint it anyway. I just made a promise to myself that I wouldn't spend too much time trying to make it perfect. I would just get it to a point where I was okay with hanging it up. I'm trying to make my brush strokes looser and to be okay with a slightly messier style to create an impression of certain shapes rather than spending several hours detailing each little water ripple shape like I would normally. So it was definitely nice to let go a little bit while painting water, because that's definitely not what I do. Painting the wave splash was definitely my favorite part of the painting. It's what really tied the piece together for me, and I just love painting details. Even if they're messier details, I still find that last part of a painting to be the most enjoyable part of the process. This painting was also completed while I was working on Oiltober, and for anyone who's new or hasn't seen my last video, I was doing a painting challenge last month where I finished a painting every single day of the month, an oil painting. So there was quite a bit of chaos surrounding this particular wave painting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this painting time lapse. I hope to see you in my next video, and I'm wishing you a beautiful and inspiring day.